So here you can see that there is a noisy bearing. A defective bearing on a razor. It's not rolling freely.